Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Elongate coin or also the Elongate token on your Trust wallet. So first of all, the site we're viewing this on is coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. And all you're going to need to do is simply scroll down till you get to its about. And once you get to its about, you simply copy this contract address, and once that's done, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet, and once Trust wallet has opened up, you head over to the browser section. But if you notice, it was a BEP20 coin, so you're going to need BNB for transactions. Simply click on your browser, click on Pancake Swap, click on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, click on Ethereum, and switch it over to BNB Smart Chain. And from here, we're going to be clicking on this cake, and instead of cake, we're going to be pasting the contract address we just copied, which belongs to the Elongate. So you simply click on import, click on I understand, click on import again, and now we're going to be importing, or we're going to be trading or swapping 0.73 USD worth of BNB in exchange for the Elongate. Click on confirm swap. A smart contract call comes out for approximately 0.94, almost $1, or call it $1, and boom, it's done. Add Elongate to wallet. Okay, close your Pancake Swap, head over to your wallet, reload for a bit. Once you've successfully reloaded, you would then see the Elongate deposited directly into your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.